Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. And good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to each one. My journey with the EuroKids Horamavu started 3 years before, and I am proud mother of Vihira. She is going to perform soon on stage. She is a student of Euro Junior B, and I'm feeling very proud today. Anxiety, lot of excitement, lot of emotions. I can't even imagine like how many emotions I have today. It's uncountable for me. I'm really very happy. Thank you so much, the organization of EuroKids, Sudha ma'am, Shiva sir, all the teachers over here. We all can see the kind of performance they are giving over here, and we all can expect the huge round of applause. Everyone over here it is giving. We all can expect, yes, it's fabulous. I started 3 years before in 2017. I came here with nursery. Yeah, that time she was just very small, and with lot of affection and cuddling at home. I was very emotional that time, how am I going to start my journey? But the first year, it went very well. The adjustment process, the stability, the environment, and lot of you can say the engrossing activities I saw in my daughter's attitude, in my daughter's nature, that is really commendable. The first year went very well. The second 2 years I would like to connect together because Euro Junior and Euro Senior, I have seen incredible transformation. Like sometime back, Sudha madam pointed out about this, that the moment your kids will be going to full-fledged school, it is going to be a smooth transition. But the word really states very simple to us, but we know the kind of gradual transformation we have seen from Euro Junior to Euro Senior. I would like to point out some few things which I observed very importantly. The first thing, the reading and writing practice. I never felt the kind of force or the kind of pressure in the house. She happily came home and told me that I can read this and I can write this. You have to trust me and you have to believe me, parents, here. I never felt the kind of pressure in her whenever in terms of reading or writing. She came up all the way with the natural happiness that I'm going to do this. So that kind of confidence and transformation I have seen through the hard work of the teachers. I was completely at home only just seeing the kind of work she is bringing it to me. This year, it has been an incredible journey for me because in Euro Senior, I have seen the transformation into practice. Whenever there is any co-curricular activities happening in school, she's happily coming and saying that I would like to take part. That kind of confidence I have not given in the house. I think mostly it has come up from the school. And I felt really very nice whenever she's coming. It's a natural way that, Mummy, I want to do this. I would like to take part. When we all have witnessed, when we had been to gallery walk, that time there were so many small kids. You can see the zeal, enthusiasm and excitement they have. They want to say, Auntie, can I present my project to you? Can I say a few words about my project? This is really not a one-day show. Definitely the hard work of teachers and parents too really have worked hard. And everybody has put together their efforts to make this gallery walk very, you can say famous, very well. It went well. And we all went so proud that day that see Arcade is performing so well on stage, and also they are taking the center stage to say few words. Because it's always an emotional moment for us whenever our kids are in preschool or nursery or Euro Junior or Senior. Whenever they come on stage, it's really a very emotional moment for me. And the one very important thing I have seen that they have always been very encouraging for the co-curricular activities. Not only the child, as well as they have encouraged the parents as well. That, ma'am, please come forward. We would like to take you, or you have to share this stage, or you have to give up your ideas on that. So I would like to say in all, in the nutshell, I have been an fortunate person, really. Thank you so much, Sudha ma'am, Shiva sir, the entire organization of EuroKids for giving me this opportunity. For me, another 3 more months to go. Little bit emotional I'm feeling as well, because I might not be getting this kind of environment later in the full-fledged school. It is going to be really good. But I am happy that I could make my daughter, and I could see my daughter confident enough to say the processions of the world, which is going to come up in another couple of months. Thank you so much, everyone. A warm welcome again. Thank you. A great evening ahead.
Thank you so much for your inspirational words, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, please welcome.
Yeah, hello. Okay. Hello, good evening, everyone. It's a proud moment to stand here to talk about EuroKids. Yeah, really, he's in only play group. It's my first journey, and he's also. But yeah, I'm not giving any effort, but I have seen lots of changes in my kid. He can recognize words and letters, and he speak, he danced, and many things. I don't have much experience because recently I put it in EuroKids. So yeah, really, it's a proud moment to be a part of a EuroKids. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your beautiful feedback.